Good morning, everyone. NMB Box Break's doing a box break on a 2016-17 Upper Deck Trilogy. Show you the time and date. It is 6:16, March 24th. Here are all 30 spots. Thanks for everyone getting in. For those of you who are new, we randomize this list and the team list 3 times each. So here we go. That's 1. And that is 3 there. So Mike J, you're at 1. Drew 2 at 30. And you see it's been randomized 3 times. So we're going to copy and paste. Oh, that's from the last break I just did. Let me delete that. That was from the anthology I just did this morning. Alright, so we'll paste the new list there. You got Mike J at 1. Drew 2 at 30. Alright, so now we're going to do the teams. And here we go. That's 1, 2, and 3. So you got your Columbus Blue Jackets at 1, your San Jose Sharks at 30. Randomized 3 times. Sorry. Paste. You got your Columbus Blue Jackets down to your San Jose Sharks. So there's everyone's teams. Thanks guys for getting in the break. Go ahead and write down your teams. Alright. So 16-17 Trilogy. This is the first time opening this box. I will put the hits to the left, base cards to the right. Thanks for being patient, guys. I had to work late the last 2 nights, so I have not had a chance to get to this break. I think actually this one just sold out yesterday, but I didn't get a chance last night to do it, so I'm doing it this morning. So thanks for being patient, and here we go. Alright, so there's your base card. There are parallels on these cards. They're numbered. Just trying to take a look so I can get familiar. There's a parallel on it. So there's a Philip Forsberg, Nashville Predators, 182 out of 849. That's a parallel off the base card. And that's just your base cards there. Here's another one, Jack Eichel. Nice hit there, Jack Eichel. Buffalo Sabres, 554 out of 849. So those are, let's see, what do they call them, these parallels? There's a bunch of different type of parallels. These are the blue base ones. There's a green career stat, relics, black season stats. Obviously the blue ones are the most common parallels you're going to find out of them. Connor McDavid. Too bad that's not his rookie card. Alright, here's a Trilogy Rookie Premier Level 1. Mitch Marner, Toronto Maple Leafs. Numbered 170 out of 999. So here's your rookie hit for Toronto, Mitch Marner. It's a level 1. I'm seeing level 1. Oh, level 2 looks like there's autographs. Level 3 has autographs and some jersey cards. Austin Matthews is in level 1. That's card number 51. Patrick Lyman is 52. Okay, here's another rookie premiere. Columbus Blue Jackets, Zach Werenski. So you got the relic with the rookie premiere, level 1, 303 out of 399. So even the level 1s can have the jersey cards. Okay. Nice. Zach Werenski, Columbus Blue Jacket hit. Alright, so back-to-back rookie cards. Looks like there's one hit in every pack. So there's 8 packs. Let's see if that trend continues. Here's a nice card. I always like these out of the trilogy, these pucks. Anze Kopitar, LA Kings. That's a really cool signature. It's on a puck, which I've always liked that out of the trilogy box. There's the back side. Let's see if there's a serial number. I didn't see one on the front. I don't see a serial number, but nice looking card. Nice hit for the LA Kings. Anze Kopitar. Oh, this is awesome. Great hit here. Connor McDavid, Premier Material. That's a great hit for the Edmonton Oilers. Oh, that's awesome. 101. That's a great card there. Oh, that's an awesome looking card. Awesome hit for Edmonton Oilers. That's probably the best Connor McDavid card I've pulled out of any of these box breaks I've done. Even out of the 15 and 16 boxes. That's a great card. Here's another rookie premiere. Kasperi Kapanen. Another nice hit for Toronto. 401 out of 999. Nice looking hit there. Should get one more autograph. I think there's supposed to be 2 autographs, so this should have an autograph in it. All right, here's a parallel Phil Kessel, Pittsburgh Penguins, 701 out of 849. No, huh? I thought it said 2 autographs, but I don't know. I guess it's maybe choose 2 big hits. But anyway, I mean, that hit right there is just as good as any autograph. And nice autograph there out of Anze Kopitar. So 2 great hits in the box, along with some nice rookie cards. So maybe I'll be looking for a trilogy. Hopefully maybe the price comes down a little bit more, but we'll see. I did order some new stuff. I did not have a trilogy in there, but maybe after those start to sell, we'll look for another one. So that was a great box, I thought. Thanks everyone for getting in. Again, I do have artifacts and plates still up there, so please, if we could try to get these filled. And I do have some new stuff coming in, so look for it on eBay and on my website. The website is cheaper if you want to buy there. If you're buying on eBay, please leave me positive feedback, and I'll do the same for you. And thanks. You can always follow me on Twitter. So thanks, guys. Appreciate it.